If this teaching has touched your heart, take it with you today. And if you wish to walk this path with me further, subscribe to Mindfire, where we ignite wisdom and strength together. May you be consistent like the rain, and may your journey be steady and true. And so, my friend, let your days be like drops of rain, gentle, steady, unshaken. In time, you will see that the stone of your life has been carved into something beautiful by your own persistence, by your quiet return again and again. Consistency is not a prison, it is freedom. Because when your actions align with your intentions, you no longer depend on fleeting moods. You no longer wait for perfect conditions. You simply live steadily, fully, mindfully. Ask yourself this: what is one small act you can repeat day after day that will shape the person you wish to become? Do not chase great leaps. Begin with a single step, repeated with care, until the step itself becomes your nature. Ask yourself this: what is one small act you can repeat day after day that will shape the person you wish to become? Do not chase great leaps. Begin with a single step, repeated with care, until the step itself becomes your nature. So when you miss a day, when you slip, simply return. Sweep the courtyard once more. Each return strengthens your spirit more than never stumbling at all. There will be days when you falter. Do not be harsh with yourself. The path is not straight, nor does it demand perfection. My master often reminded me, falling is not failing. Failing is refusing to rise again. When you rise each day and choose to read a single page, to sit in stillness for 5 minutes, to take one small step toward your goal, you are practicing the art of transformation. The world may not notice, but your soul does. Think of water shaping stone. Not in a day, not in a year, but drop by drop. The stone does not resist, and yet, over time, the water carves valleys, smooths edges, reshapes entire landscapes. Your habits, your choices, your small actions, they are the drops. Do not underestimate their quiet power. Many people wait for motivation before they act, but motivation is like a guest. It comes and goes when it pleases. Consistency, on the other hand, is a faithful companion. Even when you are tired, even when the progress feels invisible, consistency keeps walking with you. Consistency is like sweeping the courtyard. Life scatters distractions, difficulties, doubts every day. And every day we return, we sweep again. Each morning we were asked to sweep the temple courtyard. At first I resented it. The dust returned no matter how many times I swept. The leaves fell again and again. It seemed pointless. But my teacher would smile and say, "The purpose is not to finish sweeping. The purpose is to learn to return." When I was a young novice in the monastery, I believed discipline meant grand achievements. I thought wisdom would come in great flashes like lightning. But the truth I discovered is quieter and perhaps harder to accept. It is not in the lightning that we find transformation. It is in the steady drop of rain.